Good morning, everybody. We are still dealing with people that just don't see the positive side of life. But they say we must take a leap of faith and trust the love and peace and harmony that the angels are working in your favor. There's happiness and bright prospects coming your way. You're on a path for a new journey in your life that is offering you lots of happiness. You will be receiving or giving somebody a gift, and it's got to do with your animals, learning from your animals to love and understand, to bring a gentle touch, and also to watch your words when you're dealing with others. There is a happy surprise coming your way. Something very good is about to happen in your life. Seek out more information before you have opinions about things. Life is speeding up and freedom is yours. There is something coming your way which you always wanted your whole life, and it's going to bring you peace and mind and contentment. There is changes for the better. There is new beginnings and end of delays. That's the wheel of fortune. We have had unsuccessful plans, but Spirit wants us to know that we must just take things slowly. It's time to let go of deception, frustration, jealousy. These things are causing us to have broken hearts. And our loved ones say we must have balanced friendships. Your friendship works best when there's an equal share of giving and receiving. Have a lovely day, everybody. Love you lots.